Hello, my name is Judith Patricia Anteliz and I am in the English B2 course. In the following video, I'm going to make a presentation of how we can use a biological resource as technology in order to help the environment. Well, I choose the process to reuse the water from washing machine in home. This is the washing machine in my house and it is LG brand. First, it is necessary to check the connections of the washing machine. Then you must have several containers. You must have 2 or 3 containers to collect the water. This is the example. Or use the water as the washing occurs. Also, it is important to check how many washing cycles are going to be used according to the dirtiness of the clothes. If the clothes are very dirty, a soak is done. Then a first wash and finally a rinse alone or with fabric softener. When we are in the washing process, we are going to decide which water we are going to reuse. So, after the soaking cycle, the drain tube is disconnected. We place it at a height of 50 to 90 centimeters. And the water is allowed to fall into a large bowl. This is the example. This dirty water should be used promptly to avoid infections. It can be used, for example, to wash the front of the house once or a few hours later. After the first wash cycle, the bowl can be replaced because the water comes out less dirty. This water is a little soapy and less dirty, and it is used to wash the toilet, to wash the floors, and to wash the bathrooms. Finally, follow the rinse cycle with fabric softener and do the same procedure for collecting the water. Remember, you can reuse water at home and at the same time save your water bill and preserve this vital resource. Thanks.